Naija FM 102.7.
Not go lose God. Olympic it start over the weekend on Saturday, Abi? Saturday on Friday. On Friday.
You see this thing where you want. I know what you want to talk. At the opening ceremony.
Yeah.
Where they say then do picture.
The Last Supper.
The Last Supper. Where they say all the
trade,
way they call na drag queens come there. We make me want to ask this question. Why not they complain? Why not they come? Not be these same people give una the religion.
If they decide Otaran, what's your business?
If they decide Otaran, what is your business?
So question they ask.
So why you people angry? They annoy me so now they vex.
Now only black people they complain about.
No. Hello,
Christians
for this part,
okay.
Especially from this part of the world. Okay. The rest of the people don't speak up. But the way we kind of put for head, what if I come my mind? Now they introduce this.
Now they introduce the
so if they feel the need to alter some certain thing on top of you want they fight people when they get her.
But the alteration not be even today. Even the past Olympics where they do.
They do them. So if I they see them for the past Olympic, I go they laugh. Are you people stupid? I'm sorry for lack of a better word. More than obvious I used to was stupid. But that
one deep.
So, are you alright?
To fire.
Because now me give you religion.
If I decide one paint a picture,
if I decide one paint another picture, I go paint another picture.
They also forget even the picture of the Last Supper. No, who painted
that?
No. What if the person
Da Vinci.
Da Vinci, right?
Yes.
Not be man. So if they just if it's okay, let's do a depiction of something.
Now that a depiction of another question I want to ask. I get questions. A depiction of the Last Supper. Who tell Da Vinci say na so it be?
Now like the Jesus where we say they paint. Now who tell them say na
so Jesus?
Na Borgias. Something Borgias na him be the. You know how many people don't ask Jesus Christ? You get one why post when the guy when they say before they say action, the guy who they supposed to get. The guy before they say action. So plenty things, plenty accounts when say people don't. I want another question I want to ask. I say who they there? Who are they taking this picture? Another question I want to ask we concern Bible. No vex. So Christians, wonderful people, no vex. RMB, Lawowo, Joy, more Bruno. For mountain where Jesus Christ and devil
40 days fasting.
40 days fasting. Where you do back and forth. If you are this person, jump down. If you are this person, jump down. I bet who they there will record everything will happen.
You know, say everything. I'm not supposed to answer this question.
No, but I don't know because some I don't ask this question. Somebody say is inspiration of the Holy Spirit.
Yeah,
no,
everything on the Bible. When you ask question like this, or you tell you say now based on the Holy Spirit inspiration.
So if you say okay, I don't remember when this thing happened. Make I put out for this guy in mind.
Okay, may I give you an example? Okay. All of us see this magnificent work of these certain men of God right now.
Yeah.
Take for instance my Pastor Dumeji. You guys, you see, pastor. Yes, that's my pastor. I'm not using my pastor play, online pastor. You see Pastor Dumeji currently right now. In 100 years time, if somebody decide write a baton, guess what? The generation of that 100 years time, they go take this guy.
Yes.
You guess what? 100 years time, most of us won't get to experience and right now. No, we not go there alive at that time.
No, 100 years he don't go now.
So now somebody will come say, oh, during this he went to Russia, he went to US, he did this miracle, he was there, he brought down the dollar. Hey, he was the Messiah.
What they want you to know is what you will know.
I started my conversation this morning by saying everything we think we know is what they want us to know. Until recently, that's why I always see internet as a big advantage. You get the early stage of internet was quite controlled, but now that control still they limited compared to the mainstream media. You get why they look like that?
Oh,
okay, the way they look before.
And another thing also, now say you say the control still there for social media.
No, it dey, but
no,
it's not heavy like that.
It's heavy. It is even heavier now, but it is heavier. But then go make and look like say it not there. E get how you go take enter TikTok. Everybody go they talk about one particular product. Oh my God, I use this thing. Oh my God, it's so you go to say now your mind you stay go buy that thing, not be your mind.
Nah, the result of people.
Now result of one or two people.
Yeah.
We don't push on. You go say, can you imagine? I was watching one movie today. That movie was so mad. God. just see this thing. Jeez. You no go know say they don't pay that person.
All those people.
They fit count like 1,000 influencers.
Just snag them.
But you don't say the people where they in marketing department.
They know these things.
They give them all those things. They know waiting.
They know what. So you go think say no day.
Everything.
Advert. If I dey shoot skit advert, I go shoot them as skit. Embed the advert inside. You go think say na normal skit, but na advert.
Yeah.
You don't collect your money.
Don't collect money.
You don't push your agenda.
Don't push your agenda. So e dey. Now you know just say no day.
No, it day. I say it day. You know did that.
They just day.
Way.
They just
They disguise.
Thank you. That's
They
the word.
disguise these days. Yes.
Chameleon, no.
Because even me, sometimes you up Instagram. I'll say, I watch this funny video. By the time I move, after I don't move like 1, 2, 4 slides.
Algorithm, you just carry everything come meet you.
You know, say again one election will happen one time. Where the person where they vote for now only sachet milk they drink. The way they put, did that not affect everybody's mentality?
Say they don't see money by.
They not see.
Buy
No, this one they go do up.
Wait, what about the one without shoe?
Oh!
They have a shoe.
I get that.
Baba, all of them.
You get one African country where the president where they help them second.
You see that one? Baba, I go like give you again.
You never go fast, even waiting they go for America between the Republican and Democrat right now. Now agenda on top.
When they shoot you go for shoot. Meanwhile, the person people in the back, nobody poo for.
No one die. One
die for back.
No, there's always a sacrifice.
One die.
There's always a sacrifice.
And they shoot you going blah. Anyway.
But since that the talk saying are true now.
No,
If FBI say there was a gunshot for their report,
who are me?
But you don't lie normally.
I don't understand.
I just talk when you mention that they say say why did they talk that kind? It truly happen.
According to FBI report.
You collect dollar.
According to FBI report.
I dey shocked. Already down your trip now.
Was okay.
Wetin be the highlight? You know the last time when we say you travel, you give us some highlight. Wetin happen for airport and the rest.
No,
of
now UK get that experience. One US you go this time. No much.
You don't forget.
Wait, come Alpha. Which kind of relationship you and this weary boy? Sanclef get where they bite up and down. Which kind of relationship would that get?
When I go do the place where I go do my insurance, my American insurance. So as I enter there to do my insurance, now the guy say, your person there inside here. I say, my person, Sam Clef. Is it Sam Clef? Babawo. Now you can't call Sam Clef. Sam Clef come over. Next thing I hear, again, you want it tiny. Get bago. Yeah, Baba me. That's like we dey find you to beat you. We plenty where they find you. You dey insult to dead not. You dey insult David. You dey insult Chenkuta. We dey find you. So as I dey talk that thing, now skit idea quite time.
Now your camera sharp.
Nah, si mo go outside.
Okay.
Now run the content
sharply.
Straight up.
It just and he enter.
I not think that content. I know. Then the second one, why we can't do that again? When we don't go, so that's what the show can't do now because I make a do part 2 after the show can't do. Now can knock.
You can see anything.
So they not delay you for airport this time. They no do all those kind of things. Our airports don't change.
I tell you.
I guess there is.
I talk I'm here last week now.
Yeah.
I talk last week now. As I they go. So because I fly, I use KLM. I reach Amsterdam. So my layover I think was like my transit time was like 4 or 5 hours or so. Okay. So now I say okay, make I sit down.
For lounge?
I first go business lounge, just stay small, come out. Say make I go change my ticket. Something's not there too right. I can't go the KLM lounge and KLM office come
go check.
They can't sort them out for me. Can't give me a new ticket. All right, K59 as my boarding gate. My brother. From I go back to lounge. As I did business lounge, it is like 2 hours. I can't say make I go the K59. I go K59, go sit down. Now, so I sit down for K59. They wait. I could notice say everybody where they come. Now, Ibu. Don't let me be the black person. We did it.
For K59.
For K59. Kasabona, Maryland, where they go now. Black people suppose they inside. But everybody now redneck. Nah, just wait. Then I come they look for outside. Where I go see the KLM flight. I don't see the KLM. Now, another one we get green and yellow and purple. I could say, okay, maybe that thing what they do for Nigeria when they say one bus don't spoil, they'll come transfer passenger to another bus. Maybe KLM don't transfer us to these people. Okay, maybe now what thing happen. So they come they say, those who are on board, mothers and old people, children, veterans.
Yeah, make them first.
Because our business now I can't stand up, can't give them my body pass because they can make her enter. They can say, where's your ID card? For my man, I say, ID card. I can't come with my passport. So I give my passport. I say, this is not your flight. I say, but it's K59. Can't give that guy me then check. They say, oh, your flight is gone.
So how come they take
Bro, I want mad.
What the?
So when your flight take come out earlier,
then change the gate. I don't know.
Okay.
And the airport, that Schiphol airport, not the airport where they announce. Now quiet, now silent airport.
Okay.
Now silent airport. Everything we could see now for screen.
Okay.
Now lady say, yeah, you should have let it on the screen. I say, madam, leave that to the check on screen. They did not write it on the paper. That's why I vex go back to the KLM this thing. Madam, what rubbish is this? He said, yeah, I wrote it, but you should also look at the screen. It changes. I said, so what am I going to do? I have a show this night.
Yeah.
Wow.
I said, I'm sorry, I cannot do anything. You have to fly tomorrow.
You got 5 years sleep now.
Now, where I want to sleep now, then inside the airport. Because hotels they inside airports. Like 2 or 3 hotels inside airport. The first one where I first go, I think say the hotel they very expensive, 240 euros. Will be almost 400,000
for one night. Too.
Do I check how many euros?
Hold on, just to sleep.
Wait now, Baba, you never hear anything now.
Yeah, they had do magic.
Wait now, not be him. I can't say that's too expensive. My mind I say you're not supposed to pass like high yes if you do too much like 100 euros. My brother, that's why I stand up. I can't go. I can't say make I go. You get one other hotel we dey inside the airport because I make I go that one. That's why I can't go that one. As I enter there, now they say, oh sorry, we are fully booked. From fully booked, now I say okay, no problem. Make I go back
where you first go
to the first one where I first go. My brother,
you reach there.
I reach there. Now and then collect the 240 euros. My mind.
Na big room. They won't give you.
R&B. See the room. See the video of the room. Just watch the room.
Wait, toilet. When they do, not be toilet. They close to your bed there.
Bunk bed. Bunk bed.
Even like all those prisons where they know we.
Yeah, prison. I swear.
But you know why he did this much? Because now airport. So they got now.
No, because the way our naira bisha.
Yeah, now our naira make you the reason like that. If our naira get value,
the next day in the morning, sharp. Now so I stand up quick. I stand up like 5 times to ask the lady, please, is this the gate? Say yes, this is the gate. I started again. Sorry, are you sure this is the gate? He said this is the gate. My brother. Now I look screen until we board. Wow. I can't miss the first show. I just do refund. Almost 5,000. Wow. I say we do refund. Wow. When I come back,
same thing again.
My brother, the gate where I suppose use take board. I saw I stand. Because I can't use France this time. I just use France. So I can't they say something 24. Then 23 day for front. For my ticket, they show 24. I can't say something just say, go and ask. I don't queue of 24 on. Because say go and ask. Now I go meet the lady. Say, please, is this where this flight is boarded? Say no. The other side.
We are different place totally.
Papa na for Miss flight.
Wow. If you spend extra money.
But you pay extra for that flight where you miss.
No, they're good. Take now they probably make mistakes.
Now they make mistake now.
Okay. But when you enter Nigeria, yes, it's Canada full everywhere for Nigeria airport right now. So all those,
Okay, man.
the way you first do things like, what's this one talking about? But how it be? How Nigeria Airforce be?
No, it's very good. Wonderful, beautiful. It can stand international standards.
No.
Our airport is good now.
International standard.
Once you just land
it's a
now.
patriotic Nigeria.
I'm a patriotic citizen. Once you just land now, green, light,
and nobody
light.
ask you so wait till you bring comfort then. As usual.
If you know
Wonderful airport.
No, now the people they work there.
That's
ask.
part
No,
of
I'm
the
telling you, it's wonderful airport.
Okay.
Beautiful.
Okay.
They did not. Why would they ask? They don't do that.
Oh.
Do they do that?
Well, maybe the before. Maybe
No,
the
they
new one
don't.
change.
You say if you land for Nigeria, they go they ask you, what did you bring for us? No,
They don't do that.
they don't do that.
We are very
This is
straightforward.
Because
Nigeria.
that means this May where I travel, everything don't change between me and now.
Yeah, that
maybe
was
na
the
you.
past. Now the way you take dress.
That's the way you take dress.
Take dress.
Did they ask people money?
They ask me to wait till I carry call.
I don't know.
Wow, that's breaking news.
That's breaking news.
Wow.
Bong, 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 bong.
I mean, that's the ramp on top across the bridge today.
The emperor, the conqueror, the champion, the lion is here.
My